Well, it was a gamble that the Phoenix Academy boss, Craig Butler, felt he had to take. Phoenix Academy All-Stars against RSPN leaders Waterhouse. And can I tell you, it never looked good for Butler and the Phoenix at all. Personally, I don't think this was the smartest move for Butler to make the case for his players, because Phoenix is not a football team, it's an academy. And with all due respect to Butler, he is not a football coach of any note. He's a player's agent. And it was like taking candy from a baby over at Jerusalem last night. For the young Firehouse team, them deal with the Phoenix team like how Liverpool deal with Arsenal. As for the man that many local football fans were anxious to see, Kyle Butler, with all the talk of twinning the selection of Leon Bailey with Kyle Butler for the national team, me don't know how it all go now with his mediocre display within the Team Phoenix mediocre display. Young Butler looks to me like a minimalist baller who does the bare essentials. It's now a mystery as to what happens with the selection of Leon Bailey to the national team. Going into the new year, we just want to reach out to Craig Butler himself. Boss, make we see if we can put Jamaica football above the personal feelings and the ego and make a fresh start for 2019. Seem like how the government say no more plastic and straw and scandal bag as of tonight. Good. Make we dash all the bad feelings and the baggage with the scandal bag tonight. As of tonight, see that? As of tonight, midnight, the boss. No more scandal bag, no more bad feelings. See that?